Hello! In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to map a user between ShopWare and Autotextme. For Autotextme users, it's important that the administrator remembers where to go to make any changes to their staff, and that's going to be in your admin menu, and you'll choose Manage Users. And that'll bring you to the Manage Users page where you'll remember you have those 4 buttons which you can use to edit settings. You'll click the pencil button to edit information. And what you need to do is add the SMS username. SMS is an acronym for Shop Management System, which of course is ShopWare. Now, we aren't actually looking for their username in ShopWare. What we're looking for is the email that is used to designate that account. I'll show you where to find that in ShopWare. You'll go to your shop settings. You'll go to your staff. Find your technician that you wish to map. We'll use our test technician here. You'll hit the gear button and you'll find the email right there. Simply copy and paste that into the Shop Management System username field in Autotextme, and what you'll end up with in Autotextme is a user that's mapped and attached to the ticket. Any ticket that you transfer in will be immediately recognized as assigned to whichever users are mapped to it. This makes things a little bit easier to prioritize. Service advisors, if you do need to set up the workflow for your technicians so they understand which vehicle to do next, you can drag and drop the vehicle assignments within the column. I will say that when you're assigning users, make sure you do the assignments in ShopWare and allow the prioritization to occur in Autotextme. Autotextme, at the time of this recording, does not transfer assignments that you change. If you switch columns here and give this vehicle over to Rex, that will not be recognized in ShopWare. However, once again, any change you make in ShopWare will be reflected in Autotextme. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.